Hey, first off, I want to say thank you for being a preferred customer here at Melaleuca. But I wanted to take a moment to show you some fancy tools that the store offers to you. So I'm logged into my Melaleuca store, and there's two tabs that I wanted to point out. This one, Learn to Earn, and the Marketplace. So the Learn to Earn tab is where you're going to go to find videos that kind of teach you about the products that you have in your house or new products that you have that you can learn from the store. And it's going to prompt you to watch the information video. And then once you watch the introduction video, then you can go through and watch these videos about products in the store. These videos all range between, 3 to maybe 6 minutes, and you can categorize them, and each video that you watch will equal an amount of loyalty dollars, and those loyalty dollars are going to be what you can purchase products with for free. So some of these videos are worth $3, some of them are worth $5, some of them are worth $8 to $10. I've watched most of these videos already, so my price values aren't showing up. But once you watch your introduction video, you can activate these Learn to Earn videos, which give you the loyalty dollars. I right now have $21 that I can spend on product here that I've earned for free, basically. The other tab that I wanted to mention was the Marketplace tab. So this is another wonderful tool that you have as a preferred customer with Melaleuca. It goes over the credit card they offer. It goes over the identity protection plan that they offer. There's even a home security, Melaleuca deals, healthcare savings. But what I use the most is the retail partners. Melaleuca partners with over 1,900 different online retailers, and they give you loyalty dollars in return with shopping through the Marketplace. So to do this, you can download the desktop plugin, or you can download the app on your phone. I've used both. What's pretty cool is that once you download it, you can go to any of your favorite retailers and let's see. Well, let me do it. Any of your favorite retailers, there they are. And once you shop through them, they give you a percentage of your order back in loyalty dollars. So I've shopped Bed Bath & Beyond. I've shopped through Kohl's. I've shopped every time I go shopping online, Target, I make sure that I check the Marketplace first so that I can earn a certain amount of loyalty dollars back into my Melaleuca account for free product, which is pretty cool. So these are just two things that I wanted to point out to you. One is the Learn to Earn tab, and the other one was the Marketplace. Both of these are a great way to earn loyalty dollars that you can spend on free product through the product store. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.